Hey everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a couple sort of packages that came in the mail. This is from Scrapbook Nut 2002, and I won a giveaway. So from her Halloween collaboration, I commented on all of her items, and so I did win this super cute giveaway. Now, this kind of slipped off because it's all slippery. It's all slippery stuff. So in the giveaway, I got some of her handmade items. So the first is this, which is just packaged, excuse me, super cute. And in here, she has these absolutely adorable little clips that she made. So if you go to her site, and hopefully I'll remember to link to her website or her YouTube so you can find how she made these. But they are just so adorable. The little clips. And they can go in your hair. So I thought, I don't know, I'll see if my daughter, now that she's 10, she's kind of a sassy pants. But if she won't wear them, then my little niece definitely would. I think they're adorable. But they could also go on a project or anything like that. So this is how it was packaged. Really cute. And then I'm pretty sure this is her, I'm hoping, because I have two and they kind of got mixed up and they came on the same day. But I think this is all her. And she also has these bat bows, which are just amazing. They're so, so cute. And they're packaged adorable and just so cute. And I'm going to try to fit those in. I'm actually going to try and use those and put those in my October daily. So I'll find a way to use these. Same with these, because these are just so, so cute. These are little ghost embellishments. It says Best Boo on there, and I'm going to find a way to use all of the stuff somehow in my October daily, because I'm almost done decorating the second week. I don't know when this is going to post, but super cute. This is for something else. Super, super cute. And then the main prize, I should put it back together because I was admiring it, was this, I believe it's a B6, around a B6 size. I think it might be a little bit different size because she used some pre-made books. So she just sized it accordingly because this is B6 and it's pretty close. I think it's just a little bit shorter. It's pretty close. Pretty close. So really, really cute. I believe it's really heavy too. She used the paper from Michaels. So she has a little charm on the front. I never do that, but look how cute that charm is. And then she has a charm here on the end. It says Hallows Eve. Isn't that cute? I love that with a bottle cap, and it's really, really sweet. Really cute ideas here. You open it up, and she's got a little pocket here with some cut aparts from the collection. Put that back in here. And let's see here. So she's got a shaker here, and it's held together by this really cute clip. And it's a cute little shaker. She's got little eyeballs in there. Such a great idea for a shaker. I'm going to do a shaker for my October daily at some point before the end of October. And I'm definitely going to put some eyeballs in there because I think that's really cute. And so this is the first insert line. Cute clip with a little Michael's pumpkins. Really, really adorable. And then she has a dashboard, which she decorated with a bunch of eyeballs, which I just think is so creative. And then she has these really fun cut aparts here. And then a pen, which is just so cute, all on there as your dashboard. And then here is, put that back in here, the other insert. Really cute. And this one is just a paper one, which is really cute. An eyeball clip. Super cute. This would be really, really cute for an October daily too. Really cute. So here's another insert. And then here's this one. Oh, this is a folder. Look at that with some of the stickers. How cute. Love that. So she made a folder, and then we have the last one. And then this one is, I think, like a little comp book that she decorated. And then in the back, oh, cute. Cute. So I don't know how this, oh, she attached it somehow. Cute. And so this is a pocket. Scrapbook Nut, Maria Snook. How cute. Love that. And then she's got some washi right here. That is so creative, Maria. It's just amazing. So I will make sure to link to her YouTube so you can visit her and you can see how she made these items, especially these ghosts, which are just, and these little clips, just so, so cute. So the other thing was Amy's Colorful Creations. So for the Halloween collaboration that I did, we had to make these, basically make, send what we made to a partner. So my partner was Amy from Amy's Colorful Creations, and she sent this sweet card. And so she sent the things that she made along with some extra little goodies. I didn't send like edible goodies or things like that, but I did include a lot of extra made things that I made. So hopefully she'll enjoy that. But the first thing that she made was this, which is it's just adorable. So it opens up like this. I guess it's like a squash book. I've never made one of these, considering all of the scrapbooks that I've made over the years, and I've made a lot of scrapbooks. I've actually never made a squash book. And hers is really, really cute. Just super well done. Really cute. So there's this. That's one of the things that she made. And then she made this, which is very creative. I haven't seen anyone else make something like this. So it's like a purse, or like a purse kind of almost, but really cute. She's got a little thing here. So you open it up, and then there's goodies. You can put whatever goodies that you want. So she's got shred in here, and she's got some fun socks, which I think is just adorable. So I just love the creativeness of that, because like I said, I haven't really seen anybody make anything like this. So that's super creative. And then running out of space up here. She also made some wrapped treats. Just super, super cute. And then she also made a wand. I sent her a wand as well. I sent her, I think, a shaker wand as well. So there's that. Very cute. And then she sent some cut aparts, or little like shapes, which are super cute. I'm excited about that because I'm going to put that with all of my October daily stuff. So as much stuff as I can use that I've gotten, I'm going to try and use, because that means I don't have to make anything, because I'm actually excited about that. I did want to make some tags for my October daily. That's the only thing I think I have to make, because I needed a tag yesterday and I just wasn't feeling it. I love these. So these are puzzle pieces, and I have not seen anybody else do puzzle pieces. So I don't know if she painted these or if they came that way, but then she decorated them with three-dimensional sort of shapes and things, which are just adorable. I mean, these are really amazing, and I have not seen anybody make these. So she's very creative. It's very unique, and love that. And then she has this really sweet, like flip, share. So in here, she's got goodies in here. So I love all of the goodies, and like I said, I'm looking to use as much goodies as possible for my October daily. And then look at that, cute. Love that. So extra goodies in here. And then let's see what else we've got. So we've got some, I can't fit that back in right now. So let's see, this is like a tag. That'd be cute. And then there's another folder here with a bag of some washi. Cute. Washi I don't have, so that'll be cool. I'm terrible at putting things back. There's a sweet little tag. And then another bag of goodies here. And I love the bags that she used too, so very cute. And then we have some ghosts. Super, super fun. So anyway, oh, there's a couple more things. So she did send this really super cute little pot holder and this cute owl's towel. And my daughter was super jealous because she saw that I got these Werther's caramel hard candies, which are delicious. So anyway, thank you so much, Amy and Maria. Your guys' projects are just so sweet, and I love them all. And I am going to use as much as I can in my October daily this year so that I can continue to enjoy them. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.